Major update for those who follow my content around how to use workshops to sell. If you want to learn how to master the art, you got to pick up this book. But I want to give you a major update on what's occurred in my life. I've been doing this for 20 years now. That's right. I'm one of the OGs when it comes to webinars, which become small group workshops, interactive things through Teams and Zooms. In this book, I discussed a 30% conversion from those that paid to participate in the workshops to continue. Whereas before I used to try to sell consulting services at 36 grand a month and have, a 12-month long sales cycle. We got it down to 2 weeks and 2 days. So we shortened our sales cycle. But the update I want to give you is in here, if you already had the book, it talks about a 30% conversion. That's nice, but it's improved by 16%, not quite 17%, 16%. That's right. In the last 8 years, we've had a 35% conversion of everyone who's in a workshop move into ongoing assistance with us, which is a business mastery transformation program. Now, of those, we've had a 73% improvement of those that say, I love what I've experienced with you. I need to do even more with you. So we're talking about cross-selling and upselling, adding even more value. That's had a radical jump by 73%. That's huge because in this book, I was talking about a 30% conversion. We had 52%. Heck, even our reoccurring revenues on the back end, that's jumped by 28%. I'm just consistently floored. Where else are you out there in a marketplace lowering the barrier of entry where you can get appointments with people where everyone else is struggling because you're offering to educate and add value first instead of just trying to do a pitch fest? And of that, you have 30% of every single one of them becoming a client. Of that, you've got 52% of all of them saying, I want the biggest and the best thing that you have to offer. And in the midst of what? These tough economic times, we have a 28% increase in our transactional value. Got to check this book out. I'll put the link in the comments below.